113. This company carries its property at revalued amount. Property values have fallen during the current period. So their properties value have fallen, and an impairment loss has been recognized on the property. So there is an impairment loss on the property. Hmm. So there is an impairment loss. Okay. However, its carrying amount is still higher than its depreciated historical cost. Okay, but there is an impairment. Compute the statement using the pull down list below, showing the effect of the impairment on the return on capital employed and gearing ratios of the company. The effect of this impairment will the ROCE and its gearing ratio. So, what will be the impact on ROCE and gearing ratio? So, the formula to calculate ROCE is we take the profit before interest and tax and then we divide it by capital employed. So, because of the impairment loss of a property, this property is part of capital employed. So, our capital employed, I will put it this way, PBIT, and then we divide it by capital employed. Okay, Hmm. Capital employed. So, capital employed will decrease because of the impairment loss, right? There is an impairment loss. So, because of this impairment loss, our ROC, capital employed will decrease. So, capital employed is the denominator, right? So, if the denominator decreases, the ratio increases, right? I mean, increases. Yeah. So, if the denominator goes down, your overall ratio, this one, will go up. So, it will increase. Hmm. So, this ROC will increase. Okay. I will put this thing here probably. Yeah. So, ROC will increase and gearing ratio. So, in order to calculate the gearing ratio, what we need? We need total debt and total equity. Okay. So, what is the impact on total debt or total equity here? Okay. So this ratio, this I mean this impairment loss, will it increase our equity or will it decrease our equity? It will reduce equity, because it goes to the revaluation surplus. The impairment loss will go to the revaluation surplus, and revaluation surplus is part of equity. So the impairment will reduce our equity. So here also we see that the denominator decreases. Hmm. So here also if the we say the denominator decreases, so the overall ratio will increase. Okay, because the impairment loss will here reduce your capital employed and it reduces your equity also. So the answer will be increase and increase.